What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download your Paystub from Payworks. So firstly, click the scheduling icon in the navigation menu. Go to Post tab and select the department from the day you're processing. Add the applicable payroll modifiers like vacation payout, retro pay, and bonus pay. Click the Human Resources icon in the navigation menu and go to the Employee List tab. Send employee records to Payworks for new employees, updated employees, and terminated ones. Bulk actions can be used to send multiple records at once. Now click the payroll link in the side navigation and go to the Employee Setup tab. Click Auto Imports under the Employee Imports list and use the Import Files drop-down to ensure all employee records were imported successfully. Now click the scheduling icon, then Post tab. Select Payworks, which is ready to send on the last day of the payroll period. If it doesn't say ready to send, review Payworks status definition. Now click Continue and Send, then OK. Once sent, the pay period will be grayed out and the shifts or modifiers will no longer be editable. Now, click the scheduling icon, then Post tab. Click Reports, select pay period you want, click Launch in a new window, and from here you can view, print, or save the Paystub report. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.